Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. My name is Anna. So first of all, let me wish everyone a happy new year. I am so glad that all of us made it to the start of another decade. If you're watching, just know that you are so very appreciated by me, and I'm sure every loved one that you have. Anyway, this is it's a collective haul. I normally don't do hauls, but I feel like I haven't been on here in forever. I did take a break during Christmas. So with that being said, let's get on with the collective haul. So first of all, Tuesday morning, these are some of my favorite candies of all time. And as you can see, we've already gotten into them. We still have quite a bit left in there, but my nephew and I opened it as soon as we walked out of the store. So anyway, I got these, and I wasn't actually excuse me, actually going into shop. I was looking for that die that everyone's been hauling, the purse die, and right now I can't even remember who makes it, but I did find this. Oh my gosh, guys, I don't know what it is about this buffalo check, but it has grown on me, and I saw this and I said I have got to get this vinyl. So anyway, it was $4.99, and yeah, I don't know, maybe I can use it for Valentine's Day. But anyway, I did get this vinyl. Just I don't know if you guys are interested, but I hadn't seen this until the other day that we went in there. And then I went to Dollar General, and I picked up these huge picks. Look at that. Huge picks. They're so pretty. They are bigger than the ones at Dollar Tree, and I am probably going to use these in my coffee bar. But anyway, they were $1, and I thought these were so pretty. And they're pretty well covered in glitter. I mean, they don't have any bare spots. Maybe that one. No, that might be a little piece of something. But anyway, they are they're big. How big are they? I moved everything out of the way. Notice I said out of the way, all my Christmas stuff. I will eventually put it away. So they are 2.5 inches tall and about 2 3/4 inches wide. So those are a good size. For $1, I thought that was pretty good. And then I also picked up these flower stickers. I did get pink and red because I am going to incorporate some pink into the red for Valentine's. And these, again, these are big. They are almost an inch. They are almost an inch wide, I guess, in diameter. But anyway, for $1, yeah, that's good. And look at the red ones. Aren't those pretty? Can't wait to use those. And then I also picked up some of their felt flowers. The roses, aren't those cute? For $9 for $1, that's pretty good. Probably, you know, add some, oh, I don't know, something to the center and maybe some glitter or something. But yeah, I am going to spruce these up a little bit and use them in my projects. And they're stuck on foam, on a piece of foam. But for $1, that's good. They are stepping up their game over at Dollar General. So yeah, they're on foam. So I thought these were so pretty. They might even go into some Happy Mail as well, but we'll see. I didn't buy a whole lot because I don't want to have a whole lot left over. And I did pick up, oh my gosh, isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, I love the red truck. Again, I don't know what it is about the red truck and the buffalo check. I just love them. So this red truck was $1, and I'm sure we can do something good with it. After I don't know, I may do something. I'm gonna have to show you. I have an idea of what I'm going to do with it, so I'm gonna have to show you guys how it turns out. And then I bought these hearts, these felt hearts. I am going to take a lint roller and remove all the little glitter that it has. I don't think it's coming off the, oh, look at this. I'm gonna have to glue that down. I am going to use these. I bought 5 of these, and they are felt. They are felt hearts, one in the front, one in the back as the backing. What I'm going to use these for are placemats on my table. I have a bar height table, and it's got 4 chairs, and I'm gonna put one in the center for the little caddy that we have in the center with the condiments. So that's what I bought these for, and I thought they were pretty cute. I may even put some bows around the chairs on the back. I don't know, we'll see. I have to show you guys. But I thought these were really cute. They're all the same, and again, they're only $1. A great way to dress up your table if you don't do a lot of decorating. And I don't do a whole lot, but I do like my dining area to be decorated, just because that's where everybody goes. That's Grand Central Station for us. But anyway, so I bought 4 of those, and that was it for Dollar General. And then I ordered I ordered a die set. I know you guys have seen this, and this was I guess this was a free gift, because I know I didn't order this stamp set, but I thought it was kind of cute. Although I don't do a lot of stamps, I may put this in some, you know, in a swap or Happy Mail or something, because I don't do a whole lot of stamps. I do like this one though, but I'm not going to take it and then give the rest away. I'm going to, if I give it away, it's going to be the entire set. It's not going to be just this. I'm not going to take just that. But anyway, so yeah, I'm guessing that was a free gift. This die set is the one that Nicole Silhouette designed, and this is the Advent birthday cake. I don't know, I'm going to try to get a picture and link it right after this, but it comes with a lot of pieces. These are the numbers for the Advent calendar, and then I'm guessing this is the little door that swings open, and these are the little toppers, and these are the actual panels for the cake. And so it's got a lot of pieces. I have not cut one and put it together yet, but I'm going to have to show you guys, because it is just the neatest birthday cake, Advent birthday cake. There is a piece missing, and I've already contacted the company, and they said they were going to send it to me. So I am going to wait for that. It's an outer piece, so I may go ahead and cut this and then start to assemble it, and then go ahead and put it together and just wait for that other piece, because it's just a layering piece. Guys, if you watched this far, let me know. If you want me to cut you a birthday cake, I will give one away all cut up and ready to go. Just leave me a comment and say, I would like a cake cutout, I guess. Just let me know somehow that you want to be entered in the cake die cut giveaway. There we go. So I'll cut it and let you guys put it together. I'll put one together on camera, that way you guys can see how it goes together. And I have not even tried to put it, you know, even try to guess how it goes, but you know, I'll make one, and then I'll make another one on video, make a video, and that way you guys know how it is put together. And just let me know if you want a Advent birthday cake die cut. All right, that was it for my mail. No, I have one more thing that I ordered from Amazon. I thought I was just going to get the paper pad, but I got a sticker set and the 6x6. Guys, this is so pretty, and I did order this for Valentine's, And I just thought this was so pretty. I'm gonna do a flip through really quick. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh. And you get 2 of each. Look at that one. Oh, that couple is so cute. And then this one. I like this one because it's got that faint flowers in the background. And then this one. This is so pretty. And I love this one. Look at that. Oh, sneaking a kiss. That is so pretty. And this one, and this one. Look at that. Isn't that pretty, guys? I ordered this off of Amazon. If I can remember, I'm going to link everything in the description box. But okay, so this is the 2 sheets of stickers, and I have not even opened this. I really don't even want to, just because I'm lazy. But there's the little card with all the balloons, the champagne, you know, some greenery, and look at this cute little birds. And here's the couple. There's a door. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Look at that. They are adorable. Look at these girls. Oh, aren't they happy? Yes, they are. Oh, look at these flowers. Anyway, darling, you are fabulous. This is so pretty. Anyway, those are the 2 small, or the 6x6 and the stickers. And this is the 12x12. It has got how many? 24 papers, which is 2 of each, which is 12 designs. Yeah, this is pretty. Dress My Craft. I believe that's the name of the company. Yeah, Dress My Craft. That is the name of the company that put this out, and I'm sure they have others, but this is the one I was drawn to. And it is just like the 6x6, except the pages, I mean, you know, the pictures are a lot bigger because it's a 12x12. There we go. And I am definitely going to use this. I'm going to show you what I am going to use this on. This is such a beautiful paper pad. Anyway, guys, that was my quick haul, collective haul, share with you guys. And don't forget to enter if you would like a set of the die cuts. All right, guys, I will talk to everyone later.